Good evening, and here we are again. Excuse the camera audio and everything like that on my earlier videos. Still working out this, and just like a diesel whistler, I too enjoy iPhones. So here we are with the second wave. The winds just started to pick up again, and just like oceans that ebb and flow, so do storms. You look at how storms run up lower land mass and build up and push off higher altitudes. You can see most of the Melbourne CBD is much more like a compressed bowl and not of a fruit. Ta-da, ta-da, funny. So what we've got now is the next little bit of range to start it up again. And we're seeing very low towards around mixing of what I mentioned earlier in the videos of what mini convergence lines can form, or what they do conform, or convalesce in a sense. So what we'll see now is a swinging around of the wind now towards to the southeast, which is going to swing that back out towards the bay. If you look at the satellite imagery of Australia down on the Bureau of Meteorology website, you'll see that there is quite the churning and a vortex that will drive these storm systems and possibly push them up onto land. Similar sort of patterning to what we've just seen in America, but from probably the lower part of Western Australia, below Ayers Rock and across to New South Wales. They'll hit the mixing of temperatures towards Queensland, and we'll probably throw them back in a counterintuitive way, if that makes sense, back towards the sort of tropical sort of weather systems that we're seeing moving across the top of Indonesia. So this is an update video. I'll be posting this to YouTube soon and Facebook as well. Please have a look at my channel. Looking to obviously grow this after many years on sabbatical. Looking and with colleagues, as I said, and comrades and dear friends all around the world that we do care about. So our friends in America, they're currently going through very tough times. Keep your heads up and keep your unit on you. And yes, you do have allies here in Australia, regardless of what others would stir up, and by the day those kinds of ilk are yes, very much being incarcerated. It doesn't require any form of anything else but the proper rule of law, which is the common decency of any civilization. So there we have it. It's probably a third minor event, but once again, by the morning light, which I'll probably do another wow, almost a Freudian slip there, although I find Freudian psychology be about as dead and buried as he is. No offense to anyone, bit of dark humor maybe. Once again, by the early morning light, you'll probably see a dissipation as the Earth rotates to meet the rotating sun, which obviously gives us our counter rotations in the north and southern dipoles, which is really the same mixing of the same thing. And once again, Tesla coils, direct to homes, very much can supply electrostatic energy, which we have more than abundance of. Also would scrub a lot of carbon that the planet can't currently seem to process as much, which is being thrown back up in heavier storms. More to come.